Good morning, my dears, from beautiful place, and welcome to my channel. Natalia with you from Belarus. You're inside a your travel guide. I have a lovely morning in this wonderful place. We just finished our subboarding with Angelina, and it's really something what I enjoy during the summer. These mornings on a lake, perfect mornings for me. And you know what I'm planning to do right now? I'm going to visit our neighbors to get some milk and cottage cheese for breakfast. And you know which place I'm going to visit? Farmstead, Krainamar. I made a video a year ago about my friend who makes craft cheeses in Belarus, goat cheese. And now I'm going to grab milk and cheese for breakfast. We'll show it to you. And you know, I don't have any shoes, just feel the ground by my feet. It is amazing. Life in a village can look like this. It reminds me my childhood. Actually, my parents, they lived in Minsk town, and every summer I visited them and enjoyed the summer over there. So this village Hroly, it's not small. There are 25 houses where people live all year round. For guest houses for renting during vacation or a weekend. A farmstead Krainamar. A horse farm is in another village, and as well as that farmstead or a complex of guest houses, Sanctuary Island, they are located in another village. I almost arrived to get my cheese. You can see it over here. And I will try to find Oksana or Vyacheslav. Доброе утро.
Привет.
Доброе утро.
Что тут у нас?
А можно молочка купить? Здравствуйте.
Наверное, только его уже все залили.
Ясно.
Это поздно.
Cats, привет. So we're going to meet Slava. He's the husband of Oksana, and now he is a main cheesemaker. Let's go and have a look. Тук-тук. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте, можно сыра ли у вас? Вас снимает скрытая камера. So it will be my breakfast actually, guys. Белю контент. I took my milk, not my milk, but goat milk. Slava shared with me generously, and I am so happy because I will make wonderful pancakes. So right now it will be our breakfast. Oh, how I love this place. I love people who live here. So interesting that people who stay in guest houses, they relax, they go for running, grab some milk like me, but the locals, they work from the morning till night, and it's not so easy to live in a village if you are a local. It's better to come, of course. For now, I'm not ready to move for permanent living, definitely, but to visit this place for a while. But I wanted to tell you that I was really surprised that 2 years ago, when I was talking to locals, they said that it was better than people didn't know about this beautiful place before, because we were so separated from the rest of the world. But now, of course, guests are coming, more people enjoying this place, because you have seen that we have our private lake here. If you are closer to Minsk, thousands of people on 1 square meter, and this is totally another story. Here we stay in our private area, and this is so precious. But having guests and having these guest houses is an opportunity for the locals to get work, because in this problem of dying villages, it is the problem of whole Belarus, and people, they run to cities to find any work. For locals to work at such farmsteads, to do any kind of work there. This is can you guess how much do they earn during one working day? I mean, an ordinary worker at any guest house. I will keep it in a secret, and if you are curious to know about activities and their salaries, leave your leave your ideas in these comments, and in my next video we will discuss it. Okay, deal? As well, I wanted to tell you that now it's summer season, and many locals, they go to forest for mushroom hunting, to find berries, blackberries for instance, and they sell it on the markets and in special places, and this is also an additional source of living for them. It's really great. I'm still alone, you see. I'm walking along the road, and I'm alone. My dears, I can predict your questions about houses for sale, or houses which you can buy in this beautiful place. I checked all this area long ago. There are no available houses on the lake, and sometimes there can be an option to buy on a second line, as I say, but not really cheap, because of this place, because it is not a remote place. This is really a livable village with hardworking people, so it's not something like an abandoned village far away. That's why the price is not so cheap. I will show you our entrance. So I love our house, our guest house, but I'm checking all the time the situation around this area in case of any available house. I will film an episode for you, or if you want to search for any option in Vitebsk region, drop me a line, and I have something for you. Ну что, Александр возвращается с рыбалки, с рыбкой. Хозяин усадьбы Радюш.
Короче, одного леща поймал.
Oh my dears, I really want to share with you our pre-sunset view here from this beautiful cottage. Look what we have, and I can assure you that this camera cannot tell you how beautiful it is. Of course, if you are here in person, it would be better, but I'm so glad that I have this opportunity through the internet to share with you.